We're here at Omega. There's a very big screen. Oh, Ate Kyle is so happy. Ate. Papa. Hello, Mishi. We're on the way to Himeji. In Osaka Egi. The worst station. Sorry na. Because this is very busy. Kasi dito yung Shinkansen. Buwang na. Hanami! Wala kami sa camera. Oh, ganda naman. We're now here at Himeji. I'm not feeling well because I have a very bad motion sickness. I drank the medicine I showed you earlier. Kyrie, let me. So the total hours of the travel is 1 hour and 40 minutes. So let's go to the hotel. So now we're here at Himeji Station. What exit, Papa? Iwan mo na natin yung maleta natin. East exit. Ayan na Shinkansen. Sulat, bullet train. Yeah, let's eat. Ayan, ang daming restaurant dito. Kyle is hungry. We're now here at Himeji. Sobrang mahal ng pamasahe. Kaya kinulang. Ayan o. 1,600 ang one way. Sobrang mahal ng fare. Kinulang yung Ikoka ko. So, I'm using this one. So, when you go to Japan, make sure you have this one. What's the meaning of Ikoka?
Let's go.
Huh? Ikoka? Oh, ano? So, ayan, ang Japanese teacher natin. Oh, KFC ang bumubungad sa akin. Anak ko nagkakagusto ko KFC. Ako din. Gusto ko rin yan.
Okay pa dyan.
Kaya nga, yan na lang. McDo. Oh, makakaligayahan nila McDo. So, we're just gonna leave our bags first. By the way, our hotel is Hotel Monterey Himeji. It's Papa's present to me sa aking birthday. Pinagdalitan mo rin. Ngayon ang tiga-disiplina na ngayon. Dahil nai-stress ako sa kakadisiplina. It's just a 1-minute walk from station. Wow. Yun ang binok ni Papa. Actually, I want us to stay sana sa yung hotel na tulugan lang. Like Toyoko Inn. But Papa said it's better to stay here. So this hotel is nicer. Ayun na pala! Ayun na siya! Kyrie, this is our hotel. Let's take a picture. Hotel entrance is 3rd floor. Where are you right now? Wow, bats. What's happening? Hello. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Let's go, Kylie. Yaban, ano? Yeah, present. Let's go. So before you enter, you need to wow. Hey, early check-in for free. Yes, let's go. This is our room.
Nakaka-accommodating nila. Pinapasok agad tayo.
Oo, sabi ko lang, is it okay to leave the bags? Pinapasok agad tayo. 3 pa eh. Wala pa 3. Wala pa nga 2. Card key.
Sabi, maganda yung service nila.
Ang ganda. Ay, ito yung walang view ng Himeji. Nasa kabila. Ayan, meron ding, ayan o. Pajama kami. Wow. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, Papa. Papa, what's my...
Video yan eh.
Oh. So we're here. The hotel is actually nice. It's good. It's good. Very good. Better than Toyoko. It's just small, but the amenities are all new and clean, very clean. It's just small, but it's very typical of Japan. You can rarely see a big hotel here because in Japan, space is very, limited, okay? So it's like Hong Kong. So it's just normal. If you find a hotel that is small, it's normal.
Sleepers!
Baby, kids sleepers. Okay. You have to actually. What?
Towel, same as you see.
So cute. And
ABC.
so you don't have to bring like toiletries for your kids for free. And they put it here with towels. That's it. Actually, they love the TV. It's built into the wall. So there's Netflix and strong Wi-Fi, I bet. Makeup cleansing oil, gel lotion, and moisturizers. So, Papa, thank you!
Happy birthday, Mommy.
To me. And syempre, in Japan, thank God for bidet! Yan ang importante. Sa Japan, yan ang na-miss ko sa Singapore. Because in Singapore, they don't have that. Very limited. Maybe in the airport. Terminals 1, 2, 3, they have bidet on some of the toilets. We're now here at Ate, earphone case. Bakit cute?
Ay, ang cute nito niya.
Ay, nako.
Carrier. Ito ang cute to.
Baby carrier for parents. Tapos siya magdadala
Sa anak niya.
Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda nito. Cute. 300 yan. Everything here is 300. Tatis. Ang cute. Then, naka-brown ako. Ito. Autumn na kasi. It's autumn. Let's go. Heidi exhibition. Right out of the station, you can see castle. Oh, beautiful. Sabi ko ba, wait? Mary, what's yours? There's an unlimited veggie. Unlimited kimchi and chijimi. Sarap ng kimchi, grabe, winner. Let's try. Ayan, cold noodles. Gusto ko ng kakabit. While eating, here's our view. So kids can play there. Later, maybe we can go there. Let's eat, ate. Kami kumain kanina. And now we're here. So you can play here. Kids can play around here. Tawa ko ba? In Japan, it's really like this. Ang fun-loving nating anak.
Mayo!
Siya yung game sa lahat eh. Siguro ganyan ka ng bata ka pa.
Ibon ko.
Ha? Nasa may ibon? Ginawa ba naman playground ang Himeji Station? Look at the sun. stuff. I have this one, but the Hello Kitty one. That's Chikawa, by the way. So I bought this before for Kyrie, Kanami, and me. It's mine. So Kanami won Kyrie won a tote bag worth 800 yen. See, this is 1,200 yen. So it's a steal. Okay. Kawaii for Kyrie. Kyrie, mite, Kuromi. You want this one?
I usually buy this here.
What do you want?
This one.
これも可愛いけど。見て。You don't want this one. More Sanrio stuff. So cute. Ang ganda. So they're just playing here in the play area. We bought our breakfast for tomorrow and then here at Lawson. Kachi! Sandor! Kare. Okay na.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang.